You are cordially invited to Wisconsin Career Development Association's Professional Development Workshop. Callings, the Power of Passionate Work. During this workshop, you will learn ways to help your students and clients clarify their sense of purpose, their sense of callings. This workshop is designed for career development professionals, academic advisors, success coaches, life coaches, workforce development professionals, educators, and additional professionals who assist others with academic planning, career development, and life purpose. Greg Levoy speaks in numerous cities throughout the nation. He was recently the keynote speaker at the National Career Development Association Conference. Space is limited and pre-registration is required. Visit www.wcda.org to reserve your spot. See you on Wednesday, March 13th in Madison, Wisconsin.